Welcome to Live365 Support, where we help you with your broadcast journey. Today, we talk about analytics and station restrictions. On Live365, we give you, the broadcaster, not only the power to see who tunes into your station, but the power to also control who tunes into your station. Want to know more? Well, hey, let's dive into it right now. If you could, please hop to your Live365 dashboard. Once there, look to the left-hand side of the navigational sidebar and select Analytics. Once you do, it will take you to your analytical page where we are going to focus on real-time and historical. Well, to start things off with real-time, you'll notice down below you'll see a map view of your current listeners. If you would like to see an alternative view, look to the right-hand side of the map and select Here. This will simply show your current listeners in a list format, and if you hover your mouse over the location, it will show you the full details of where they're located. It can also show you important information such as the current listener's session length. We even provide a band button next to them. Now, do note, when you hit that band button, it will not push them out immediately, only till after their session has ended. Other things to note under real-time, depending on your broadcast package, we also do provide you additional information such as the listen by country, listeners by device, and of course, listeners by platform, which is all provided under a Broadcast 2 package. But what about historical analytics? Well, go back to the top of the page and click on Historical. From here, you can find out all the information you need whenever, from active sessions, session starts, and total listening hours. We also again provide you the additional details depending on your ad package, listeners by country, listeners by device, and listeners by platform. To show you a quick demonstration, I'm going to click on the calendar button right here and then select the beginning of the month. Then on the right of it, I'm going to click on the calendar button again and select the end of the month. From here, it's now showing me my active sessions, session starts, and total listening hours for the whole month. We also do provide you some presets on the right just in case you want to use these instead. Now, if I wanted to find out how I did specifically in the United States and record that information, we do provide a download option. All you got to do is scroll down, select See All next to listeners by country, and then I'm going to click on United States. From here, I can download a CSV file and have this information on hand whenever I want. Now, it's always great to have knowledge on who tunes into your station, but it's also good to know how to control it. What do I mean by that? Well, look to the left-hand side of the navigational sidebar and select Restrictions. This page gives the broadcaster more control over their station and who's allowed to tune in, from geo-blocking certain countries, banning certain IPs so listeners can't tune in, and controlling session duration. So, for example, if you set it to 6 hours, after 6 hours, the player will be disconnected, but do not worry, doesn't mean to get kicked off, they just have to resume the session again by hitting the play button. And with that all said, you now have the ability to not only find out more information on who's tuning in, but also the power to restrict it as well. I hope this information does you well, and I hope you have a great day. Happy broadcasting!